Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook, laptop, or tablet, and then you want to go and select the system tray down the bottom right. Should be a little time icon. Go ahead and select that. There should be a screen capture button here. Select that, and then you can take a screen capture. You can also take a video of the screen too if you want to do a screen recording. And then once you're done selecting the area you want to take a screenshot of, select capture, and then it will copy it to your clipboard. You can copy and paste it or search in V key combinations to paste it somewhere else. You can also edit it as well, and then you can save it elsewhere on your computer. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.